In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in Microsoft Access. Let's start right at your desktop. Press the Windows key, type Access, and open Microsoft Access. You'll land on the Start screen, which is simply a launchpad for new or existing projects. If you're brand new, you're in exactly the right place. To create a brand new database, choose Blank Database. Give your file a clear, memorable name, something like My Database, and, if you want, pick a folder where it will live so you can find it later. When you're ready, click Create. Access will generate a new .accdb file and open it immediately so you can start working without any extra setup. You'll see that Access has already created your first table and opened it for you. It's usually called Table 1, and it appears in a familiar spreadsheet-like grid. This view is where you can begin typing right away. Think of each row as a single record, like one person, one product, or one order, and each column as a field that stores one kind of detail, such as name, age, or email. This rows and columns structure is the foundation of how databases organize information. Before you go too far, it's helpful to make the table feel like your own. Double-click any column header to rename it with something meaningful, such as name or age. Use clear, consistent, and singular names so the purpose of each field is obvious. When you need more fields, click the header labeled Click to Add and choose the type of information you plan to store. As you type data, Access will do a good job of handling it, so you can focus on getting your information in quickly and cleanly. When you're happy with the initial setup, save your table. Press Ctrl+S on your keyboard, give the table a descriptive name like Customers, and click OK. This locks in the structure and makes the table easy to recognize later, especially as your database grows. If you'd prefer a jump start, you can use a template instead of starting from a blank slate. Go to File, then New, pick a template such as Contacts or Inventory, and click Create. Templates come preloaded with tables, forms, and other objects designed for common tasks, which can save time and give you a solid example of how everything fits together. And that's it. You opened Access, created a database, built your first table, customized it, saved it, and learned the Fast Track option with templates. You're now ready to add data with confidence and build out the rest of your database as your needs grow.